Empowering a world of better business. That's the mission of Epicor, and it recently announced $1 billion in ARR. I have the CEO and CFO here to talk all about it on this episode of Taking Stock.
When a business buys our software, we're committed to running their business on a daily basis, which is a commitment we take very seriously. We're there to empower the essential workers that power that global supply chain.
Joe, what would you say contributed to the rapid growth of $1 billion ARR?
Quote that really resonates with me is, "Show me the incentives and I'll show you the outcome," as the late great Charlie Munger famously stated. And for us, what did that mean? The rare air we've accomplished with $1 billion of ARR required a company-wide North Star, and that North Star was centered around being a best-in-class supply chain cloud-first software company. And in order to do that, our products had to be great. So over the last 6 years, we've invested over $1 billion to advance our cloud-based capabilities. And I think it's certainly, by the fact we're here today, is a testament that those investments have paid off.
How do you keep the momentum to continue to expand to new markets?
We will double down on that industry focus. I think the other thing is there's an underserved market in the space we compete in, and that's the essential worker. As companies take a look at onshoring and reshoring and having to be productive enough to compete and win, they really need to empower those essential workers. So as far as industry expertise within manufacturing, distribution, and retail, we'll continue to focus there, and we'll continue to invest heavily in the cloud.
So as I think about our ARR growth, it's really through 4 complementary vectors. Number 1 is acquiring new customers. Number 2 is the ability to renew those customers. 3 is pricing uplifts, and 4 is expanding in our existing base. And we've done a lot of analysis here, and we believe we're best in class across all those metrics. And that's really a testament to the essential nature of our products that Steve talked about. But most importantly, what we're focused on is the road ahead. $1 billion is just a lap in a larger race for us to continue to grow and build momentum into double-digit growth and beyond.
How does Epicor stay innovative ahead of the curve to still meet customer needs?
I'd like to say we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so we need to listen more than we speak. And when it comes to listening, it's listening to our customers. We need to continue to put them at the center of any innovation we make. The global supply chain is ripe for artificial intelligence, but it can't be a science experiment. So for us, when I think about making artificial intelligence real, our customers expect practical outcomes. Here are a few examples. One would be, you've got to be able to speak to the system and say, which of my factories is the most productive? Another example might be, which of my vendors is always on time, or which of my vendors is always late? The other one might be, if I've got an order coming in, do I have enough inventory to meet that order? What if that order doubles? So for us, being very practical with implementing artificial intelligence, so it solves a real problem that our customers benefit from and they're willing to pay for.
And Joe, from your standpoint as the CFO, how are you going to continue to maintain customer growth while meeting customer satisfaction?
Many of our customers have been with us for a long period of time. In fact, a lot of our customers have been with us for over 15 years. So they have been with us along the journey to the cloud. And the cloud transformation requires us to be with them throughout the entire life cycle. So what does that mean? It means being with them in the innovation journey and ensuring they have access to the latest and greatest products. Certainly AI capabilities and AI use cases is first and foremost on our roadmap.
What would you say your biggest priorities are for 2024?
You know, I think it's continuing the momentum we're on, and it's focusing on the avenues of growth we already mentioned. So one thing we didn't share is our M&A strategy has been hugely successful for us. In the last 3 years, we've acquired 10 companies, and that certainly has paid off meaningful in our ARR base, so we'll continue to focus on M&A, the AI investment Steve mentioned, and servicing our customers and being that best partner for them.
The biggest 2 priorities for me would be to double down on industry expertise and to continue to focus on the essential workers. But what I really would like to say is thank you to our customers and our employees for this great culture we've built that's brought us to $1 billion in recurring revenue.
Well, thank you for joining me on Taking Stock.
Thank you.
Thank you.